Yo chillers, let's conquer Ben Nevis. Welcome to Ben Nevis! Chillers, so this is Ben Nevis. Alright chillers, I'm so unlucky. Unfortunate. My watch, I don't know if I accidentally stopped it, but it stopped. I think we already did like 15 to 20%. Yeah. So I just started my watch again. Alright chillers, currently at 300. You're right mate.
Just about.
Yeah, currently at 378. Yeah. Right, chillers. So far, what I've noticed is that we have a decent footpath. Yeah. From the visitor center up until like halfway. Alright guys, elevation updates 476. That's out of 1,345. Alright. Wind is picking up though. I feel that temperature change. See? What a lovely view. That's the peak. Still got snow up there. Alright, chillers. 11:56. Current elevation is 5:54. So I guess we've been walking around an hour now. And I'm lost for words. It's just so beautiful out here. Mother Nature at its finest. Yo, chillers. Wind is really picking up. Good thing I didn't forget my mic. Approaching the crazy zigzag. The track isn't bad at all. I think Scapel Pike was, yeah, a lot harder. It's just that Ben Nevis is higher. Yeah. What can you say about the hike, Mariam? Let's go, you can do it. Right, chillers. We're stopping for some bananas. Crampies. Having bananas in front of this lovely lake. Yeah. All right, chillers. We're officially halfway through, Mariam. Officially halfway through. 636 meters above sea level. That's our elevation. Out of 1,345. Cram sorted? No? Not at all. Yeah. So wind is picking up, guys, although it's not too bad today. It's just about 14 miles per hour. That's what the app says. They say it can get up to about 30 miles per hour up here. Temperature's down a bit as well. So it was, if I remember correctly, we started like 17, 18 degrees Celsius. Now we're down to 12. Down to 12. Yeah. So jackets back on and just enjoy the view. Ben Nevis. Right, chillers. When you do this track, be careful with your steps. So it's like scramble, loose gravel. Yeah, this bit. So we help like at least 2 individuals who said their knees gave way on their way down. So one lady actually fell face first on a rock. So a bit of basic first aid. Don't rush them to get up when they do fall. But the gravel is pretty loose, so you be careful. Even our fairy friends conquer Ben Nevis.
There's so many new people.
Hello. I think we're walking for like 3 hours now. Chillers, it's so nice out here. It's not even the top yet. Yo, chillers, 786. Just enjoying the view. Having a bit of coffee. Chillers, elevation update 812. Yeah, you can do it. You can. Think positive. Well done.
Fighting for my life.
Nearly there, guys. Nearly there. Hey mate, how is it up there?
It's quite cold, but it's not as cold as you think it'd be.
Okay. But it's twice as much when you get up there though. Yeah. Alright. Be safe. So we're almost at the top. Yeah. We still got ice in here. Alright, chillers. Visibility is going down. Yeah. So we're down to like 10-15 meters. And we're expecting it to build up as we go up or as we go higher. Look at that. Elevation update 1102. You're right, mate.
Are you a nurse? Doctor?
Nurse.
Nurse? From Filipino?
Yeah.
Nice. I love working with the Filipino nurse.
Ah, thanks. You're a doctor.
Hello, they do their fucking job. Nah, they're Filipinos, bro. They're the best in the hospital.
You guys doctors or nurses?
He's a doctor.
Okay.
I'm a nurse.
Engineers. You're a nurse.
What, you're a doctor?
I'm a nurse.
You're a nurse.
Until see.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a stereotype, that really, isn't it? Filipino nurse.
Yeah. Visibility check. I don't know, 15 meters. Yeah. Elevation is 1,137. Almost there. It's just that we tried to catch up with time. We sprinted. And then cramps just kicked in. So we're eating a bit of banana. We started wearing gloves now. It's getting really cold. right. Right, visibility is down to 10 meters. Right, see there's wind picked up pretty much, so it's really cold now. We're almost there though. Trying to keep up with time. Yeah. And they said there will be 2 patches of snow. Oh yeah, here we are. This is the first one. Okay. So we have to go through that one. Alright, so that's the first patch of snow. It's quite big though. Yeah. Go through it and there will be another one. With the wind picking up. Let's do this. So we need to get through this first batch of snow. So we need the help of this stick. But they said it'll be a wee bit of snow, so it shouldn't be long. Start to cramps though, muscle cramps. Oh God, I can't imagine how people actually do it, because some do it at the peak of winter. Careful. This way. Careful. We're through the first patch of snow. Okay. That's our landmark. So we turn right a bit. Shout out Filipino group of hikers, Jonelle, Julius, Wilson, Win-Win, Hannah. We miss you guys. Yeah, that's another marker. This is the bit where they say just stay on the right hand side, because there's a massive cliff on the left hand side. Do it, do it. Oh, so that's the second bit of snow that they mean. Oh, it's huge. So we keep right again, because there's a huge drop over the left hand side, just to be safe. At this point, so your track will be like just boulders, pretty much similar to scaffold pipe when you get to the top. So the challenge is just to find which way is that building. Because I believe there's a like sort of a structure created here. I believe that's for like weather forecast and stuff. They said to keep on going until you see a wooden triangle. Careful. How far is it from here?
Not far, mate. You've got to find a stick. There's
Yeah.
a stick like that in the ground.
Oh, that one.
And then walk in between the two. There's two buildings over to the left. Go
Okay.
between the two buildings. And you're there. You're there.
Lovely. Thank you very much. Elevation 1343. It's still covered up with snow up here, chillers. Like pretty much. So, but this is what we wanted to see though. Yeah. A bit of snow in Ben Nevis. So not long. Few meters. Yeah, that's a stick. So we're trying to find the stick. A wooden triangle stick, which will be our marker. I think that's it. This is the stick. Or the triangle. Yeah, there you go. Right. So we're walking on the snow bit now. I think we had to head this way. Okay. Find the building and we're there. Alright, chillers. We're almost there. I'm soaking wet now. Yeah. Oh, that's the building. We need to go through this. Yeah, that's the building that I was referring to. Yeah. 5 meters. Welcome to the peak. Okay. And so that's our goal, chillers. That's Ben Nevis as of the 30th of May 2026. This is it, chillers. Few steps. Few more steps. And that's the summit. I don't know why we keep on doing this, but we've tried like 3 peaks here in the British Isle already. We keep on going for this rock. So that's it, fellow chillers. That's our trip to Ben Nevis. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. stay safe and chill out.